Hello guys! In today's video, I wanna share what I ate in Philippines today. Also, I met nice Filipino. Let's start, check it out! Today I want some street food in Philippines, so that's why I came out.
Let's eat.
This is my first time eating street food at night, so I was excited.
Hello po. Wow. Hello po. Oh, what is a dynamite shumai? What is that? I saw for the first time. It's yummy.
Yes,
It's not spicy.
mild. Mild spicy.
Ah, spicy? I don't like spicy.
But not too much.
Not too much. I can try it.
Yeah.
Wow, I found dynamic shumai, right? Dynamic shumai. Wow, can I try that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
How many look
Just one. Oh. Hello po.
Hello.
Hello.
If you manage to buy food.
Hello. Hello po.
Hello.
Have you tried dynamic shumai? It's good. Wow. Now I'm waiting, right? I have to waiting.
You can sit here.
Ah, okay.
Because I need to try this.
Where is the this is mine, right?
Yes.
Oh, hello po. What's your name?
Nika.
Nika. Hello, Nika.
Hello. Hi guys.
Hi, guys.
Welcome to the Philippines.
Oh, welcome to Philippines. Let's wait. You know, now I really want to try that. Dynamite shumai. This is famous in Philippines.
This is the new flavor of mine.
Oh,
It's a pork with a green chili. Hello.
what is the best seller in here?
This is pork and
Pork.
Japanese.
Oh, okay. It's 25 peso. You know, my favorite food is dynamite, so that's why I wanna really try that. I wanna eat turkey ice cream. Do you know turkey ice cream?
Oh, we didn't have it here.
Oh, really?
Our ice cream is not dirty. But we need to
Wow.
put some sauces like
Oh, okay, okay. I have to put the sauce in here. Oh, thank you, Paul. Wow, this is mine. Okay, let's try that. You want to eat too? Let's try it. Why? Okay, let's try this one. What is the best sauce? Can you recommend?
Only the soy sauce.
Okay, like that. Let's eat. Done? I don't know.
Let's put some garlic on that.
Garlic, garlic. I love it, garlic.
You love garlic?
This is garlic. We can try that. Wow! Oh, sorry. Wow! You know, this is dynamite shumai. Let's try. Mm.
Is it good? Tastes good?
Mm. Wow! It's what I mean.
So yummy.
Have fun! Wow! Garlic flavor is really strong. Oh, but really bit spicy for me. But it's okay. This is not too spicy. Do you want some? It's good. Mm. And inside there are, what is inside? Pork. Green chili, right? They are green chili, so that's why little bit spicy for me. Because I'm not used to eat the spicy. But it's good. Masala. Thank you for. Thank you for. Masala. Hello po. Hello. Your favorite?
yes. Spicy.
Yeah, little bit spicy for me. Oh my god. Okay, let's go another place. because I want to eat more than more in here. I found a lot of this kind of thing. Hello, Paul. Hello. Hello. Hi.
Where are you from, Mom?
I'm from South Korea.
Oh, from
South Korea. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you have to try this one, Mom.
What is this?
You have to try that one.
What is this?
This is chicken.
Huh?
Chicken.
Huh?
Anim na. Magkano na ba?
It's good? It's
It's
good?
good.
Really?
Yes, Mom.
I will trust you. How much is it that?
Just 12 pesos, Mom.
20 peso?
12 pesos.
12 peso like that. Oh, okay, I will try that. Okay, can I give one? Okay. This is famous in Philippines.
Yes, Mom.
What is the best in here? What is your favorite?
This one.
What?
This is chicken proven.
Chicken ube. I want this one, chicken ube. Okay, this one?
Yes, Mom.
This is best seller?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, I will
This one.
try that. Okay, thank you for. This is mine?
Yes, Mom.
Oh! Kuya! Great! What is this? This looks like really spicy.
Spicy.
Oh, really?
Very spicy.
Kuya said this is the best seller in here. Okay, we will try that. Okay? Thank you for this one, right?
I will be the one to
Oh,
put.
okay. Oh my God, Kuya made
You
my
have to try
sauce.
this one.
Yeah. Wow. I love it. Oh, yeah. Okay, this is best combi, right?
Yes, Mom. You have to try that one.
Okay. Thank you, Kuya.
Thank you,
Okay,
thank
I
you.
will try this.
Oh,
Come
take a picture.
here.
Take a picture. Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Whoa! Like that. Whoa! Basro! Oh my God! You know, sauce is really good. Chicken purube?
Yes, Mom.
Wow! Chicken purube is really good. Oh my God! It's really chewy and really delicious. It's really yummy. Oh my God! I'm surprised because it's really good. Wow! It's just really yummy. Kuya! It's really yummy! You know, now I'm really happy. You know, I thought this one is really good. Why?
Mr. Nosebleed man.
Hello, Pong! Wow, it's really delicious and side is really chewy and I want to try that. Wow, this.
You have to try this one.
Wow, how much is it? How much is it? Wow, why you give the free? Kuya, Kuya, salamat po.
Salamat din.
Okay, let's try it. Wow, Kuya is the best. I want to come here again. Okay. Wow, amazing. Oh my God, it's really refreshing. Wow, this is really sweet and yummy. I love here. I love Filipino because it's really friendly, right?
Yes, we are
Oh,
friendly.
really friendly and really kind. I think I'm really happy to enjoy this one.
Where do you live, Mom? How do you live?
I live in the Shillong. Shillong.
Ah.
I think this is really not too sweet, so this is my style. It's really my style. Ah! My subscriber, right? Oh, thank you po. Thank you po.
I follow your, I subscribe your YouTube.
Oh my God, thank you.
Thank you for visiting the Philippines.
Yeah, I love you. You are maganda. You are really maganda. Bye bye. Oh, yeah, bye bye. Bye bye. See you again.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Salamat po.
Bye bye. Okay, today review here. Oh my god. You know, Tuya give me the free juice like that. It's really tastes good. Bye bye.
Did you guys enjoy this video? I hope you did. See you soon in next video. Bye bye.